Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So we have a shirt or pants. So this is a Rashguard, I believe. Yeah. So it looks like. Has their logo here. It's a small silicone gel here. It protects you from UV rays. Yep. And then more fits. And that's it. That is the Rashguard. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.